So today I'll be doing a get ready with me video again, but this time round it's kind of different because I'll be using all these new products that I have not tried before. I haven't opened them yet, so I'm not sure what to expect, but I've heard great things about some of the products here, so I'm super excited to try them out. And the great thing is, the products that I have selected to feature in this video are all drugstore brands, so they're really affordable. Just to disclaim, all these products are mostly not available in Singapore. So I bought all these stuffs online from the US, all the way from their website, and they don't ship directly from their website to Singapore. That's why I used a forwarding service called Buy and Ship to compile all of my items and ship all of them directly to Singapore. So all the cosmetics I've bought in this video are from the States, but if you're looking to buy from different countries, you can actually consolidate them and ship all of them together to Singapore at one go. And the great thing is they charge by weight and not by volume, so that's great, and you can save a lot on the shipping charges. Okay, so at first when I started shopping at Buy and Ship, I was a little bit confused, but actually it's super easy. You just have to make an account with them, and then you just go to the website to shop. For example, I want to shop at ELF, just go to ELF and shop, and then during checkout, you input the overseas warehouse address that they have provided you at Buy and Ship website itself. After checking out, after paying everything, you just have to declare your parcel when it reaches the warehouse. It may sound a little bit confusing when I'm speaking like this, but if you need some of the tutorial links, it's all available in the description box below. Okay, so let me just start off with my makeup today. Okay, first I have the Physicians Formula, the Healthy Foundation. I actually saw this on an article and they say it's like one of the best drugstore foundation. So I can't wait to try it. I'm supposed to twist it open and I just like pluck it out. Oh my god, I broke my foundation! Doe tip applicator. I'm just gonna like apply it like this, okay? Feels easier. It's like I'm applying concealer. Okay, the thing about this doe tip, right, it's very easy to like just put it on your face, but it may seem to be a bit unhygienic after a while. I am quite impressed with the formula of it, because I really hate those foundation, right, which is too glowy or too sticky or too matte, and this is just right in the middle and it looks very natural also. Okay, I'm applying a second layer now. Speaking of which, I'm using a new mic today and I'm not sure how it works exactly. I just hope that the audio is okay. So the coverage for this foundation is, I think it's buildable, quite natural and see-through, like I can still see my flaws. Okay, next I have a Milani Retouch and Erase Light Lifting Concealer. Feels a bit yellow for my skin tone, but let me just squeeze a bit out. Oops, so much. Just gonna use it on my under eye to cover my dark eye rings. Blend it out. Blend it. Actually, it's not very impressive. It's not covering anything. To see if it helps to cancel out the redness. Okay, I'm gonna use my MAC overbrush so it doesn't take off any of the product. It's sticky, but it doesn't stick on my face, but it feels sticky. It actually thickens up my makeup a lot because it feels kind of thick, but it's not covering anything. I have no idea why. So I eventually gave up on all of the concealer and used my own. Okay, I'm done with the concealer and now I'm going to be setting my face with powder. This Milani Conceal Perfect Shine Proof Powder. Oh, it helps to conceal as well on top of setting the concealer. That's good. Okay, I'm done with setting my makeup. Now I'm gonna be doing my eyebrows. For my brows, I've gotten the ELF Ultra Precise Brow Pencil in Neutral Brown. Kinda nice, super slim. Anyway, ELF Cosmetics has like really cheap makeup. Like it's just $1 or something. What? Oh my god, it's really easy to use as well. I love it. I just hope that it's long lasting so it doesn't wear off. If you don't want to splurge too much on makeup, you can try out ELF Cosmetics. It's really cheap, like it's $1. And it's still worth it after including all the shipping fees to Singapore if you use Buy and Ship, because like I used the service, right, and after purchasing like a full face of makeup and a lot more extra stuff, I spent about $150 in total, and the shipping fee was just about $12. So it's really affordable if you count if you do the math. The waiting time is slightly longer because they are of course shipping from the States, so you kind of need to wait. It's great. And I also get a lot of free gifts, like a lot of sample size items. Okay, so I've just contoured my nose using my own MAC Wedge powder because I thought I purchased a bronzing powder to contour, but turns out it's shimmery, so I can't contour my nose. But anyway, now that I'm done with that, let's move on to my eyeshadow. Matte for Matte eyeshadow palette. I just ripped it open a while ago and it looks like this. So anyway, what I really love about e.l.f. is that they have a huge collection of brushes and they are really cheap. So one of these brushes is at $1. So maybe the black one is the $3 one if I'm not wrong. So I bought a lot of them and I stock a lot of them up previously before. I've tried them before and I really love them. They are really fluffy, really soft, works great for normal brush and just $1. So it's a big flat eyeshadow brush. And I'll be picking out this rosy shade. Yeah, it's quite nice after 2 layers. Okay, I'm gonna apply some on my lower eyelid as well. Sometimes I buy eyeshadow brushes and they are super prickly. It's like poking my eye. Like, do you really want to dig out my eyeball? But this is so fluffy and soft. It's good for $1. Just gonna pick out a slightly darker shade. This shade right beside it on the outer corner. Just using the dark shade on my under eye again. So I've only used 2 shades from the matte palette because I wanted some shimmer. Rose Glow Stella Lights Highlighter Palette. This is so highly raved everywhere on YouTube, so I'm so excited to try it out. So pretty! Okay, I'm just gonna use the eyeshadow brush again and I'm gonna pick out the middle one. So I'm gonna pop this in the middle of my, center of my eyelid for some shimmer. I really like it. It's nice, it's nice. So I'm gonna be using the Defining Eye Brush from e.l.f. The brightest shade on the Stella Lights palette on my inner corner of the eye. To have this glow. Oh, really? Doing this really helps to make your eyes pop, so it's really important. Now I'm gonna move on to my eyeliner. So I've gotten this cream eyeliner from e.l.f. Studio. I haven't really tried cream eyeliner before. So it looks like this. And there is a tiny angled brush. Let me take out some on my hand. I'm done with lining my eyes. I love how it looks, better than liquid eyeliner, but it's really hard to work with. I think I need more practice. Okay, so now I'm done with my eyeliner and my eye makeup, so I'm just gonna curl my lashes. This is from Juice to Ward. I'm gonna be using this mascara from Physicians Formula. It is the Killer Curves Mascara. And I am very picky when it comes to mascara, so I hope this works. This is a huge tube of mascara. I love the packaging, it's super classy. I hope it's not too heavy. Okay, I think the mascara looks pretty fine. For now, it's giving me quite a nice amount of curve. Okay, the downside of this mascara is that it kind of takes a lot of time to build up. Maybe because it's a new mascara, I have no idea. Applying some on my lower lash as well. Now I'm gonna be doing my blush. I've gotten quite a few blusher. I've gotten one from Milani, one from e.l.f., which is the contour and blush palette, the shimmer strips from Physicians Formula. Okay, I'm just gonna be using the Milani one for my cheeks today. Looks pretty pigmented, so I'm just gonna go lightly on it. Tap off the excess. Okay, it's very pigmented. I kind of want to try the Physicians Formula Shimmer Bricks as well, so let's try it out. Oh, I love the packaging. It's so pretty. Using the same blush brush. Oh, it's very pigmented too and I love it. It's very glowy. Okay, so for highlighter, I have the Milani Stella Lights highlighter palette, which I've shown you just now on my eyes. So I've also gotten 2 other highlighter from e.l.f. So let's try this one in Moonlight Pearls. Oh, it actually has something. Oh, it looks really pretty. When I turn around, I can see it. It's very subtle. Oh, it looks like you're glowing for real, like from inside. Doesn't look shimmery and like... Oh, I love it. It's pretty. Okay, so I'm done with my face makeup. I don't have a bronzer because I failed myself. But I don't need it today. So I have here with me 2 different lip colors that I've gotten from Physicians Formula. The Healthy Lip Velvet Finish and the Milani one, Amore Matte. This is slightly brownish and this is like pinkish, and since I'm wearing pink today, let's go for this. It's the Amore Matte Lip Cream. This is in the shade 25 Allure. Okay, my lips are really dry usually, so I don't really use matte lipstick. Oh my gosh, it's super pigmented. Okay, I don't really want to go for something so pigmented, so I'm just gonna blend it out using a tissue. I enjoy the formula. It's not sticky, it's not too matte until my lips will crack. But I don't think the color is me. It's too pinkish for me. Now that it's dried, it's completely transfer proof. Really love it. Okay, so I'm done with my full makeup and I'm actually really nervous because usually when I try out new makeups, I usually try it at home and then I can just remove it, but I'm actually heading out today. So I was so afraid that the makeup will look horrible on me, but turns out the makeup is amazing. Honestly, it looks like my usual daily makeup with all of my favorite products. So I found a few of my potential favorite products, and one of them is the Milani Stella Lights highlighter palette. It's a really pretty shimmery palette, and also e.l.f. Cosmetics killed it. Like, I was not expecting so many good products from them. One of them is the highlighter. I love it. And of course, the e.l.f. brushes are to die for. So if you shop on elfcosmetics.com, please buy the brushes before you ship them to Singapore because it's super worth it. Okay, so this is the end of the video. I hope you like it as always. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment at the comment section below. And if you want to know more information about buy and ship forwarding service, which I've used to ship all these products to Singapore, just check out my description box below. I've left some link for you to check out, okay? So thank you so much for watching my video as always. I hope you like it and I will see you really soon.